Our homes should be our sanctuaries. They should be places of peace and relaxation. Clutter disrupts this peace. It creates chaos and stress. When we declutter, we create space for calm. Clutter is more than just mess. It represents unfinished business. It weighs on our minds. It distracts us from what is important. A cluttered home can affect our sleep. It can make it hard to focus. It can even impact our relationships. Decluttering has many benefits. It reduces stress and anxiety. A tidy home promotes relaxation. It allows us to think clearly. When we declutter, we make space for what we love. We can focus on our passions and hobbies. We can spend more time with loved ones. Decluttering can also increase productivity. A tidy workspace improves focus. It makes it easier to find what we need. A clean and organized home brings a sense of accomplishment. It boosts our mood and self-esteem. Before you start decluttering, visualize your ideal home. What does it look like? How does it feel? Imagine walking into a clean and tidy space. Picture yourself relaxed and at ease. This vision will motivate you. Think about the benefits of decluttering. Remember the peace and calm you seek. Hold on to this feeling as you begin. Start small. Choose one area to declutter first. Don't try to do everything at once. Celebrate your progress along the way. Begin with your clothes. Hold each item in your hand. Feel the fabric, the texture, and the weight of the garment. Take a moment to appreciate its presence in your life. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, keep it. Notice the emotions that arise when you hold the item. Does it bring a smile to your face or a sense of comfort? These are the pieces that deserve a place in your wardrobe. If not, thank the item and let it go. Acknowledge the role it played in your life, whether it was a gift, a purchase, or a hand-me-down. Letting go with gratitude makes the process easier and more meaningful. Sort through your belongings one by one. This methodical approach ensures that you give each item the attention it deserves. It also helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed by the task at hand. Be honest about what you use and need. Reflect on your lifestyle and daily routines. Are there items you haven't worn in years? Are there pieces that no longer fit your style or body? It's important to be truthful with yourself during this process. Donate or discard items that no longer serve you. There are many people who can benefit from the clothes you no longer need. Consider donating to local shelters, charities, or thrift stores. Discard items that are too worn out to be used by others. Fold your clothes neatly and store them vertically. This not only keeps your drawers organized, but also allows you to see all your clothes at a glance. It makes getting dressed in the morning a breeze. This maximizes space and makes it easy to find what you need. You'll be surprised at how much more room you have when your clothes are stored this way. It also helps maintain the condition of your garments. Use clear storage boxes to organize accessories and sentimental items. These boxes help you keep track of smaller items that can easily get lost. Plus, the transparency allows you to see what's inside without having to open each box. Label each box clearly for easy identification. This step is crucial for maintaining order. When everything has a designated place, it's easier to keep your space tidy and clutter-free. Labels also make it simple to find what you're looking for quickly. Section 5. Conquering the kitchen. Organizing for efficiency. The kitchen is the heart of the home. A clutter-free kitchen makes cooking more enjoyable. Start by decluttering your pantry. Discard expired food items. Group similar items together. Use baskets or bins to keep things organized. Next, move on to your countertops. Keep only essential items on display. Store appliances you don't use daily. Organize your drawers and cabinets. Use drawer dividers to separate utensils. Store pots and pans in an accessible way. Section 6. Taming the living room, creating a relaxing haven. The living room is a space for relaxation, a sanctuary where you can unwind after a long day. It should be free of clutter to promote a sense of calm and tranquility. Start by clearing surfaces like coffee tables and shelves. Put away remote controls, magazines, and other items that accumulate over time. These small items can make a big difference in how tidy and serene your space feels. Dust surfaces regularly to maintain a clean and inviting atmosphere. A clean space is not only visually appealing but also contributes to a healthier environment. Arrange furniture to create a sense of flow and openness. Consider the layout and how it affects movement within the room. Avoid overcrowding the space with too much furniture or decor. Less is often more when it comes to creating a peaceful environment. Choose calming colors and soft textures for your living room. Soft blues, greens, and neutral tones can create a soothing atmosphere. Incorporate natural elements like plants to bring life into the space. Plants not only add a touch of nature but also improve air quality and enhance the overall ambiance. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Opt for soft, warm lighting to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Use lamps, fairy lights, or candles to add a gentle glow. Add cozy textiles like throw blankets and cushions to make the space more comfortable. These elements can add warmth and make your living room feel more inviting. Personalize your living room with items that bring you joy, such as family photos, artwork, or souvenirs from your travels. These personal touches can make the space feel uniquely yours. Consider creating a dedicated area for activities you enjoy, like a reading nook or a space for meditation. This can enhance the functionality of your living room and make it a true haven for relaxation. Finally, don't forget about the power of scent. Use essential oils, candles, or diffusers to fill your living room with calming fragrances like lavender or eucalyptus. A pleasant scent can significantly enhance the relaxing atmosphere of your space. By following these tips, you can transform your living room into a relaxing haven, a place where you can truly unwind and recharge. Section 7. A place for everything, bathroom bliss. The bathroom should be a sanctuary for relaxation. Keep countertops clear of clutter. Store toiletries in drawers or organizers. Use baskets or shelves to store towels and washcloths. Fold towels neatly and arrange them for a spa-like feel. Clean your bathroom regularly to maintain hygiene. A clean bathroom promotes a sense of calm and well-being. Consider adding a few candles or a diffuser to create a relaxing ambiance. Enjoy the peace and quiet of your tidy bathroom. Section 8. Digital decluttering. Clearing out the cloud. Clutter is not limited to physical spaces. Digital clutter can be just as overwhelming. Start by organizing your computer files. Delete unnecessary documents and emails. Create folders to categorize and store important files. Unsubscribe from newsletters you no longer read. Organize your phone apps and delete those you don't use. Digital decluttering frees up storage space. It also reduces distractions and improves productivity. Section 9. Maintaining your clutter-free oasis. Decluttering is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. It's important to recognize that maintaining a clutter-free space requires consistent effort and dedication. Make it a habit to tidy up regularly. Set aside specific times each week to address different areas of your home. Spend a few minutes each day putting things away. This daily routine can prevent clutter from accumulating and make your home feel more organized and peaceful. Before you buy something new, ask yourself if you truly need it. Consider the item's purpose and whether it will add value to your life. Avoid impulse purchases that will contribute to clutter. Take a moment to think about where the item will be stored and if it will fit into your existing space. Adopt the one in, one out rule. This means that for every new item you bring into your home, you should donate or discard an old one. When you bring something new into your home, donate or discard something old. This practice helps to keep your space balanced and prevents overcrowding. Make decluttering a family affair. Involve everyone in the process, from young children to adults. Encourage everyone to participate in keeping the home tidy. Celebrate your successes together and make it a fun and rewarding experience for all. Create a checklist of decluttering tasks to stay organized and ensure nothing is overlooked. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Set a timer for your decluttering sessions. This can help you stay focused and make the process feel less overwhelming. Use labels to keep track of what's inside storage boxes and containers. This makes it easier to find items when you need them and keeps everything in its place. Enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free home. A tidy space can reduce stress, increase productivity, and create a more pleasant living environment. Share your decluttering tips and successes with friends and family. You might inspire others to start their own journey towards a clutter-free life. Reflect on your progress regularly. Take note of what strategies work best for you and make adjustments as needed. Remember, maintaining a clutter-free oasis is a continuous journey, but with dedication and consistency, it's entirely achievable. Section 10. The joy of less embracing simplicity. Decluttering is not about deprivation. It is about surrounding yourself with things you love. It is about appreciating what you have. When we let go of material possessions, we create space for experiences. we can focus on personal growth and relationships. Embracing simplicity brings a sense of freedom. We are no longer weighed down by our belongings. We can live more intentionally. Remember, true joy comes not from material possessions, but from experiences and connections. Section 11. Your journey to a tranquil home begins now. Decluttering your home is a journey worth taking. It brings peace, clarity, and joy into your life. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the process. Remember the benefits of a clutter-free home. Visualize your ideal space and let it motivate you. You deserve to live in a peaceful and harmonious environment. Take the first step today and begin your journey to a tranquil home.